Okay guys, so as you could see, this is our flush piston door. This is what we're going to be making in our today's tutorial. So as you can see, if I just turn my volume up and I flick the lever, the door opens and retracts. And this is a flush door, and what that means is that it's flush with the wall. So there are no indents or anything. The lever's just there, so you can use it. You can wire it up to anywhere. So this is a really nice opening sequence and no visible pistons, but if you walk through, you can see pistons over here. So I'm going to be making a tutorial soon on a flush seamless piston door, which means that all of the pistons get hidden away. So let's get started with the tutorial. So there are two different versions of this, but this is the simplest version. So what you want to do is get your sticky pistons and start making a wall of sticky pistons like this. Then you want to place two sticky pistons facing inwards, leave a 2-block gap, place this two sticky pistons and mirror the same thing. So you want to place your wall of pistons like this. And then when your door is closed, you place the blocks to make it whatever you want it to look like. So your door closing is most likely going to be over here or here. So it's going to look like this for me. So now let's cover this up to make way for the redstone. Okay, so what you want to do is place a repeater set to 3 ticks on either side, 1 block away from the end. And you could put it to 4 ticks or 2 ticks, but not 1 tick, because I think it works pretty well on 3 ticks. But you can do most of the delays. So now all you need to do is connect up these repeaters, place redstone over all of these pistons like this and like that, and you're done. Believe it or not, you are actually done. So if we just do this and we place our lever over here and we just connect up all of the redstone, boom, our door is now officially closed. So if I just decorate a bit, I'm using iron blocks, you can use whatever you want. So it closes. It's really simple, just 2 repeaters and like 5 pieces of redstone dust. It's the most simple thing you can make in Minecraft, great for just starting out, and you can put this in your base or wherever you want it to go. Really nice. Okay guys, so now you're all probably wondering, well, how does such a small circuit create something so cool like this? Well, I'm going to explain it to you. So the first thing is the piston layout. These sticky pistons are going to be pushing these sticky pistons over here. So basically what happens is if I power this, you can see really quickly that these pistons, the set of sticky pistons extends, and then this set of sticky pistons extend with the blocks as well. So in slow-mo what's happening is that these get extended over here, and these extend the blocks. So the blocks over here, they get extended to be over here, and the same thing happens with the other one. And the reason why we need to do this, and we can't just have sticky pistons on the sides, is because we want it to be flush with the wall. So we have to hide away all the pistons. So to hide away all of the pistons, we have to push the pistons out to give it a chance to push out the blocks in order to keep the pistons hidden. So when you flick the lever here, boom, it all functions. Now the actual timing circuitry. So the redstone on top just requires 2 repeaters and like 6 redstone dust. Basically, what's happening here is when we flick the lever, all of these get powered. Now, this wall of pistons gets powered by this set of redstone dust, as you can see over here. If we just power that, it powers this as well with it, and the sticky pistons extend, and then when these get pushed across over here, it also extends with the redstone dust above it. And the same thing applies for the other side. And the reason why we can't keep it on 1 tick is because there's not enough time for the pistons to retract it while it's extended. So as you can see here, it looks like it's all functional, but the pistons get left behind. That's because they retract while these middle pistons are actually still extended. And you can't really retract a piston that's extended. So that's why it doesn't work. So if we were to change the timings now and change it to like 3 ticks or 4 ticks, there you go. It just fixes itself. Yeah, that was basically everything for the explanation and the tutorial. Thanks for watching.